Got a John Deere 6150R. Had a cab fire. 2014 model. 16-speed power quad. So this transmission we couldn't test because of the cab fire, but not sure how many hours this tractor had on it because of the fire. Haven't found any hour readings anywhere on it, but you can see that the transmission is in excellent condition. The tractor itself looked really good. We've got some pictures we'll list with it. So this is going to be a 16x16 power quad, electric, left-hand reverse, and also has the auto D-clutch button on the shifter. That's going to make the range transmission a 4-range, so A, B, C, D. When you go to the auto quad, then you get the 5-range. You get the E range. In the mid-size tractor, at least in this year model, there's no F range. So the part number for the transmission as the OEM is an RE584054. We can also make it work for the 5.3 as an upgrade. A little heavier clutch pack in it. So again, no heat anywhere on the transmission. Wires all look good. Hoses all look good. We've got them capped. Same thing on the range. Differential. Just a little bit of heat there on the top of the valves. It's just the covers. Valves are not even hurt. So if you run into an issue where you need a transmission or a range transmission or differential, final drives, we're going to have it off of this pretty nice tractor. Even the engine's really nice. Make some listings for it also.